how to enable or disable sound labels like laughter, applause, and music in live transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on accessibility. Then go down and tap on hearing enhancements. Now go down and tap on live transcribe. Next, tap on settings. Then go down and tap on show sound labels. So tap on show sound labels switch to turn it on or off. And once it is switched on during your live transcribe, if it detects any sounds like laughter, applause, or music, it will show in there. So if I tap on open live transcribe, and during the conversations, if it hears any music or any sound or laughter, it will show an icon, something like this down here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.